Welcome back. We created our camera system now, and we're going to leave it here. And only thing we're going to do with it is just split them into different folders and different bodies. And once we've done that, we're going to apply some decals on our UAV, and then hopefully we get to some renderings. Okay, so let's create a sketch, a trim sketch. So we can probably just do that on the let's create it on the right plane. Okay, and I already showed this one, but let's do it again. So let's make a sketch here, and the only thing we're going to need is to trim out from here is first the sphere. So let's grab a center point rectangle, and let's try to grab that center point from that sphere if we can. Probably about here. Let's see how far we can go up on that. We want to make sure that we're between these lines, because we don't want to cut anything else. So be as careful as possible within these tight lines that we have. Let's go up about halfway. Let's try a little bit more. That's good. Okay, let's look at the bottom of it. That looks good. So I'm going to press OK on that. And I'm gonna go to our split command. And we already have the program already selected the split tool automatically. So let's cut the bodies. And then we're only going to need the sphere, and then we're going to call it camera. Okay, and then we're going to save it in our desktop, and then save that. Actually, forget to select one important thing, is to consume the bodies. So that is selected. Let the program think. Okay, perfect. So now we split our camera sphere, and the only thing we need to split now is the camera holder. So let's hide this sketch here that we don't need. So we're going to make another sketch on the front plane. Sketch on the front plane and get a normal to profile from this side. And then again, we're just going to grab a corner rectangle, and let's go from this corner all the way down here. Press OK on that. Let's go to a split tool, and let's cut the bodies. Okay, all we need is this entire piece. Okay, let's go back because our sketch are cut into something, and let's fix that. And pull this square out far enough. Let's pull it out to about here, and let's close down this corner from here to here. Let's trim this corner away. Press OK on that, and then now we go back to our split. and cut these bodies. Okay, we select our holder. That's good. And let's name that. Let's save that to desktop, and let's name that camera holder. Okay, save it to desktop, save, and then press OK. Good. So now we got our separate parts here. Sorry. And then let's hide the sketch. We don't need. And all we need now is to add our decals. So I'm going to need to set those decals up, and then I'm going to show you how you can add your decals from your desktop into SolidWorks. But first, let me just cut them out in another software. So see you back then.